And obviously we never know when a contra turns into more than that. The assumption is that this is a retest of the IB high. And when our all-day targets are hit and exceeded, early in the day, then that oftentimes leaves range trading left. You can get a reversal, but more than likely you get range trading. And the point is, don't expect that much more out of the trade because you've already had a substantial run all day. So this is the IB high, and this is a normal kind of rotational game where obviously the longs that want more, the late Louis first pullbacks are better than second and third and fourths. And we're using the 46 right now as the demon. Angel is 34.75 support. And below that, obviously, the all day angel was back at 27.25. So I'm not sure whether the high is in or not for the day. Could be. If you're taking shots now at the long side, remember your late very best trades were early, came right out of the gate on top of the blue line and kept on going. And at this point, much more neutral, just trying to, in my opinion anyways, back and fill. So I don't look at this as a reversal. A reversal would actually come all the way back down here and retesting in here. Would give us a much deeper pullback, take out the 39s, and come back much deeper. And the first things first. We said if you, on a contra, were able to get somewhere near this 42 to 43, you've done well, and anything beyond that is good fortune. So if you look a hair deeper at a 10-minute chart, you'll see we've got support. Now I think 41 is probably reasonable support. If that gets broken, then we may get a little bit more. But I think that's probably a normal support right now. And if you go back to obviously our 20-minute chart, which was in play earlier, we want to keep an eye on that. We're getting a very contained pullback. Don't get too excited. Of course, is been a very good proxy for us. And it's come back to its middle. So if you buy support and are lucky and guess right, and you get out near potential targets, big targets, still easier at first pullback here to actually buy. And then timing starts to come into it, and then the reversal trade comes in for the contra. And you can see the timing of it, during lunch. And this pullback is actually the one that all the late Louis get tagged in. But traders will scream about this, but they won't just take a logical, okay, so it's an overshoot, I'm going to take a stop. And we said the same thing over here. 47.75 was a 0.61 extension. 48 legitimate target. Okay, let's use that for a stop and let's try coming the other way since risk reward changes. That's what it's all about, risk and reward. Most traders don't get that.